Hey folks, Brian here. You're looking at some new art I created for the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try to recreate this live and using GIMP 2.10 in Windows. So this art is really just a collage of 3 images using layer modes and layer masks and gradients in GIMP. So let's take a look at the ingredients first. First, I've got this channel template from the YouTube site, and it shows you what's visible on the desktop, tablet, and other devices. Here's a picture of a 3D printer that I took, pawn tree, and a shifter from my car. It's got some elements that I don't want in my final picture, carpet and duster handle. So first off, I'm going to create a new image, file new, setting the image width and height to the template. I created it with a background, but I'm going to drag that over to delete and remove it. Now I can see it's transparent. Now I'm going to drag and drop the channel art template, going to the layers panel, dragging, still holding, going over the tab for the new image, and dropping. I'm going to set this to 50% so that I can see underneath it. Lock the position. And for now I'm just going to mark it not visible. Next I'm going to drag each of the ingredients over in the same way. And I'm going to use the move tool to sort of move it around, and using the template as a way to spot check that the interesting elements are in this safe area. So I'm going to move this over a little bit, and I'm going to repeat the process for each of the images. And I already know the rough positions since I recreated this once. So now I'm going to start at the bottom, making everything else invisible. I'm happy with the positioning, so I'm going to go to the next layer, enable that. Now I can't see the 3D printer image, so I'm going to right click, add layer mask, press add, go to the gradient tool, and drag across. The new GIMP seems to have points that you can use to adjust your gradient before applying it. So now make sure you press enter to actually generate the ingredient. So once you're happy with this, we're going to move on to the next layer, make it visible. Again, we're going to add a layer mask. Click add. We've still got the gradient tool selected. I'm going to drag across. And I dragged at an angle so I could get rid of the carpet and the duster handle that I didn't want. Press enter to apply. Now this looks a little bit different from the original, and it's because I changed the layer mode for the shifter. You can click mode and then use your up and down arrow keys to sort of preview each mode, and eventually I settled on light and only, which I thought looked the coolest. But now we can go back, click on the channel art template, make sure all of our interesting elements, which were the shifter and the printer and the background, were showing. Looks good, and that's really all that it takes for that YouTube channel art. So hope this helps. Enjoy your weekend. See you later. Bye.